Hi, this is Bob Pellerin, CTOBOB, and today we'll be unboxing an LG soundbar. This is an SN7Y, and it's a 380 watt soundbar. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and have a look. So first of all, you'll notice the packaging is very oddly shaped. And of course, this is because you've got the subwoofer over here and you've got the bar on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this up. I guess we'll start with this end here. And surprise, surprise, it actually goes on to this section. So, very unusual packaging, but of course, the size of this requires it. So maybe let's take a look at what we've got from a cable point of view. Let's go ahead and move the little box out of the way here slightly. And we'll take a look at some of the accessories that come with this power bar. So go ahead and get rid of the two pieces of tape. There we go. So, all right, so we have a remote control. We have the power cable. And this is, let's see what this is. Something that seems to be, looks like legs or feet or brackets. Oh, there we go. So you've got some mounting brackets here. I imagine there's various ways of installing this, whether it's sitting on something or, okay, so here is the actual power supply for it. And let's see if we could see how much this is. It's a 50 watt output. And so you've got yourself this goes to this. And what else is there? And this is an alternate power. So I'm guessing one goes into here and the other one must go into the other component. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we've got is a lot of styrofoam. That's one way to do it. So I pushed it out from the other end. I'm trying not to break anything. So here's one component. And I guess we'll take a look at it. It looks to me like it's probably an optic cable for the sound. All right, let's put it on top of here. And we've got here is the actual sound bar. So let me just get rid of this box. That's a lot of box. It's a little more difficult to open than the average unboxing we do. All right, so it's actually all one piece of styrofoam. It's interestingly put together. And this pops up like this. And you can pop out the sound bar. This is all one piece. That's kind of interesting. All right, so let's move this out of the way. And this is a little pièce de résistance here. And of course, put my knife away. Let's just go ahead and open this as gently as I can. I'm going to open this side. There we go. And this is what it looks like. So this is the top. And so this is the top here. And you've got, let's take a look underneath it. And in the back, you will notice that you have the optical cable. We've got what looks like a USB, and it looks like we've got HDMI connections underneath as well. So, and in the back, I don't know if you can see that. So in the back, what we've got is the power. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the second component. And now we'll just gently lift it out. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that it's okay to put it on that side. And naturally, Murphy's Law, I think I put it, I think this is the bottom. So that's usually what happens. Okay, so we've got a little bit of tape here. And here we go. So let's just go right out and pull this out. So make sure we put our hands somewhere that's not going to damage anything. So, and this is the back of it. So in the back of the unit, as you can see, we have both the power and there is a pairing button here, which I'm assuming means that it will connect wirelessly to the main bar. So this is the subwoofer. And what you're seeing there is the front. And there's really not much from a point of view of connections. I mean, there's no wires, there's no, let me go ahead and turn it around, oops, slowly. So there really is not much in the back there, or on the sides, or underneath. So this one here would be plugged to the power, and this one here looks like it would go ahead and be plugged through one of the connectors in the back, and there's the power. So that's it. So this will pair up very nicely with the LG television that we had purchased a while back that we made a video. We'll put the link up there. And yeah, so that'll be great to test out, hear things out in the studio. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Bob Pellerin. If you have any comments, please put them below. You can visit us at www.ctobob.com, and we'll see you in the next video.